Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Coleman SaluSpa Hot Tub with Cleaning Tool and Maintenance Kit. Long day at the office. Relax in the Coleman SaluSpa Inflatable Hot Tub. The hot tub inflates in minutes, and the rapid heating system quickly heats the water up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. The digital control panel lets you adjust the temperature to find your perfect fit. This cleaning kit tool set includes a net scoop, brush, and scrubbing mitt. Plus, this kit contains the Leisure Times Chlorine Full Starter Spa Kit. Spas are for soaks and relaxation, so hop in. Product benefits. Relax at the touch of a button with the massage system, rapid heating system, and integrated water filtration. Includes pool liner, pool cover, spa pump, chemical floater, filter cartridges, air pad protector, repair kit, AirJet system. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.